Hi, this is a short video to accompany my review of this Kärcher robotic vacuum. As you can see, I've housed it in a narrower place than is recommended, but from previous experience with these robotic hoovers, it's fine. I'm just going to send it, I've customized it to go and clean the kitchen. When you first get it, it has to survey the whole area before you can clean. Right, so my assistant is hopefully going to start it so you can see it in action.
Start cleaning.
There we go.
Reviewing.
This one is much more powerful than the previous ones I've had with 5000 PA. I've also got it on the medium cleaning suction power, so it can go higher. It's a little bit noisy, but hey, vacuums are, as long as they do the job. And this one you can leave to get on with it on its own. So in a minute, when it works out where it is, it should set off for the kitchen. And we'll follow it. My wife has told me that I must say that she sprinkled breadcrumbs on the floor. It's not the normal state of her kitchen, it's just for your entertainment. See how close it missed that chair because it knows it's there. If items move in the room, you'll find that it'll still work round them and remember where they are next time. We usually have a mat here and it quite ably climbs over that as well. So into the kitchen it goes. And you can see it's doing already a pretty good job of picking up those crumbs. You can set it to go over once or twice. We found that it actually mops well as well. Doesn't soak the floor, but just enough to get easy bits out, but don't expect it to mop really hard. As you can see, what we usually do is just leave it and get on with it. I hope that gives you a good idea of how it's working. I have to keep this video short, so I'll cut now.
Right, in this video we're going to unbox this Kärcher RCV 5 and we're going to see exactly what you get in there, followed by a little demonstration, and we'll see exactly how it performs in a few different situations. Let's get started. And here's the unit itself. It looks really very simple to use. An on-off button and a back to home button. Pretty much that's it. Couple of things to work out, that there are these little wedges here that you're going to need to take off when you're shipping. And then that's the bottom of the unit. I'm going to try and show you the whole thing from a range of different angles so you get a really good idea of exactly what you're getting. There's the sensor on the front. Where is it? I've lost it. I've got the other side. There's the sensor on the front. There you go. Okay, so hopefully that gives you an idea of exactly what you're getting. So just one little brush there on that side. Right, let's get a move on. And we've got a few little accessories that I'm just going to show you very quickly. A nice, very old school manual. There's the dock, there's the base, the charging base. It's got a power input there, but apart from that, nothing else really. And these are the two connectors that the vacuum docks with. You've got a mopping attachment there and a spare cloth, along with a spare filter. Air cable and a little cleaning brush just there. That's everything.
Station.
like he's picking up.